Your iPhone home screen might look clean, but it's still the same old layout everyone else has. Most users never customize it, but they don't know how easy it is. When just a few tweaks, you can make your home screen look unique, organized, and pro-level. Let's customize it right now. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down, tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap Add New Wallpaper. Then tap Color. Now pick a color that you like most. To me, the dark will be good for me. Let's select dark. Now set the color tone by sliding this ball. Then close this pop-up. Now slide to checkmark styles. I would like to select deep. Next, tap Add. Then tap Set as Wallpaper Pair. After that, go back to the home screen. Tap on the empty place on the screen. Then tap Edit from the top left corner. Now tap Customize. Then select Dark below. Then choose Always from the bottom. And now, make the icons a little bit larger. To do that, little box icon in the corner. Just tap on it. Now, you can see your icons get larger. And if you tap on it again, it will be shorter again. But I wanna make it larger. Then tap on the empty screen again. So now, if we add a widget, it may look better. Then press and hold the screen. And again, tap on the Edit button. And then tap Add Widget. Now find the calendar widget. Search the calendar in the search box. Then tap on it. Now slide and select the current date style. And then tap Add Widget below. Now organize the app icons and bring them to one side of the screen. Now finally tap Done from the top right corner. And look at that. Wow, it looks better organized than before, right? And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.